welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyguia, and if you've never been here before, bienvenidos. Today we are doing a Christmas haul. Happy December 1st, guys. I'd just like to say I am full-blown excited for Christmas. I've got my tree up, got my pillows out, and I just want to show you guys all the Christmas decorations that I bought this year for Christmas. I was very inspired by Restoration Hardware. Everything I got was just very earthy, modern, had a lot of texture. But yeah, I just really wanted to go for just like a really cool, like modern and Nordic look in my Christmas decorations that I got. So I felt like they were just too good not to share. So I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so first item I'm going to show you is probably my favorite item. I was going to leave the best for last, but honestly it's just too good. Are you guys ready for this? I got this puppy right here. OMG, I know. It is so crazy cool. I felt like this was like just the coolest Christmas decoration ever. I saw it and I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. I went back and forth so many times through the aisles and I kept thinking about this and I was just like, you know what, I'm going back, I'm getting it, and I got it. It is like this glass house and it's like very tall. It's got 3 different height Christmas trees inside that are like flocked, and it's just glass with the black like arches. I just feel like, oh, my food's here, cool, awesome. Okay, so the first item I'm showing you guys today is like this glass house with metal black, it almost looks like iron detailing here on the all throughout 4 sides. It's almost like an atrium, and inside we have 3 different like height Christmas trees, and all 3 Christmas trees are flocked. But I just loved how clean and modern this looked. It just like just so beautiful. The black arches with the black like sharp edges. I thought it was just such a Nordic looking piece. I felt like it was just very like architecture inspired. It just made me so happy to look at. I've never actually seen Christmas trees in a glass case before. It has like this little door handle here that you can also open. It also comes with this handle on the top in case you ever wanted to hang it, which I wouldn't think is a very good idea. But I just felt like this was just like such a beautiful piece. As soon as I saw it, I just couldn't stop thinking about it. I went up and down the aisles of Hobby Lobby Christmas shopping and I just kept thinking about this one. So of course I went back and I got it. Again, it just really reminded me of something that was just like very clean and edgy and modern and very architectural, and that's why I got it. It's my favorite piece out of this whole entire haul. I should have saved the best for last, but I just couldn't help myself. So I hope you guys really enjoy this piece as much as I do. Okay, so my next piece I'm going to show you guys are a few Christmas trees that I bought. So I bought, let me show you this one first. So I got this one here. It is very textural, if that is even a word. It has a lot of texture. It does have glitter in it, which I was going like back and forth if I really wanted it because it did have glitter, but I just felt like the glitter just truly made it like extra festive, just like very like cone like. Maybe if I put it there you'll see it better. Nice. But of course I saw this and I had to get the baby version too, so I've got the mama and the baby here. And it's just a smaller size part of the Christmas tree. I think there's a medium size too, if I'm not mistaken. But don't worry, if I find it, I'll link it down below, and I'll link down all of these items actually in the description box for you. But I just felt like these 2 pieces were just like really clean and modern, and they actually were a similar shape to the glass case Christmas trees I just showed you. They're just a different shade of green, which I felt like sit like really nicely. But I just felt like these trees were just like very wintry and cute and just really just like modern and sleek. So I felt like it was worth buying and decorating my house for. Now I have 2 more Christmas trees here that I want to show you. These are very glittery. I was super on the fence about these, but then when I saw them I was just like, you know what, no, for sure. This would just look, it's just so modern looking it would look really nice like in a wooden bookcase or behind like in front of a black wall, or actually if you stack a few books and you put this on top of it, like different like either natural shades or different shades of black, and you put this tree on it, it'll look really modern. So again, I got this and two sizes actually, the bigger size and the smaller size. This one's called Aspen Cove, but again, I'll link everything up in the description box. This one's about 10 inches tall and this one is about 15 inches tall, just so you guys kind of have like a scope. But let me bring it up in front of you so you can really appreciate it. All of that glitter, it's just so beautiful. And I love that the tree just had its different layers. It wasn't, again, just like a typical Christmas tree where it starts skinny at the top and comes fatter at the bottom. It has like 4 different layers that it has like a triangle shape to it. So it's like 1, 2, 3 4 different layers. And I felt like that was just really like artsy, just like a different abstract way of like looking at a Christmas tree. So I definitely got this one, and I got it in the 2 sizes. Oh, I also want to show you a close-up of the tree that I showed you before, just so you can see the difference in colors. That one, and then I have these 2, which I was skeptic because the 2 I felt like didn't really match together, but overall around my room I feel like it'll really just look really nice. I felt like they gave off 2 different vibes. This was very like wintry, and this one was very just like modern and like fashion. But I feel like together, like as a whole, is really good, so I'm not too worried. So this next piece I thought was something that would look really nice. When I first saw it, I was like, wow, that's beautiful on a coffee table. But it'll also look good on a cadenza or just like anywhere that you just have like just a nice wooden table. And it is these pack of white wooden sticks. I'm gonna show you here. It comes with 6 sticks, and they are like, you know, like those wintry white wooden sticks, and it has like snowflakes on it. Here, let me see if I can show you here. I just felt it would just look really beautiful, just kind of like diagonal with like some books underneath and maybe like a little Christmas tree, maybe this together with like maybe another little piece and just some books. I felt like would just really warm up this space but keep it very like neutral tone too. I think that's what I'm really going for. That's a really good word for me to use. Everything is basically neutral, although I have like my greens in here. Overall, it's like a very neutral or pale type of green. Even the trees that are in my glass case, even though it's like a darker-ish green, I feel like still it's very neutral since it's flocked and has that little flocked, like the fake snow on the tree. So yeah, overall, I think the decorations are very neutral, and I felt like this would just be like a very cute wooden piece. I actually had this idea to like cut it in half, and we will see if I end up doing that. Now my next piece I'm super excited about. His name is Hunter. He's my little reindeer! Oh my gosh. This is the most beautiful reindeer I've ever seen in my entire life. This is my kind of reindeer decoration right here, people. Like, this is like, it is perfect. It is like such an artsy looking piece. I felt like it was just so clean and sleek, and again, if Restoration Hardware made a reindeer, like I feel like this right here would be it. This would be him. Hunter would be it. It's just so beautiful, very light nude beige color. It has like this glittery snow all over his fur, has beautiful antlers. There's not really a face, it's kind of just sculpted, like his eyes are just sculpted and so are his ears. You can see it's like his muscles are like sculpted. It's just so much detail in this one reindeer, and it's still very simple and clean. I think that's exactly a good word to describe this reindeer. Just very clean and simple. It is, oh, my dog Zoe wants to sniff. You want to sniff it? Does he smell good? Okay. Hunter glistens in the light, I guess, depending where you put him, but I just felt like it was just such a strong looking reindeer. I'm really mad I didn't get another one. But regardless, I just felt like it was just such a good modern reindeer look. Let me see, let me read the dimensions for you, because looking in the camera it does look pretty big, but honestly it's really not that big at all. It's not It's 15 inches tall, but that's including like his really tall antlers. It's just such a cute piece, like this on a wooden table or this like on a few shelves, like if you have like a few bookshelves. Honestly, I'm so excited to decorate with him. Here, let me show you. You see how he just like is so shiny and just like glistening? It's just beautiful. So beautiful. I'm obsessed. Now the next piece I'm super excited about too. I'm excited about all these pieces, but like the next piece is so me. So me. So I don't know if you guys have seen these little houses. They usually come in white. They look like this. It's just like these square, almost like Christmas village houses, but they're very like modern and they're usually like in a white ceramic, and it has just like these square windows, just super duper simple. It's almost like a modern take on like a Christmas village. Well, this one just got amped up like 100 times because it's concrete. Like this is just the most beautiful me thing I've ever seen. I saw this and I was just like, oh man, I don't know if I want to buy it. But it's so me. I don't know if I'm ever gonna find something like this ever again. So that's why I got it. It's like it brings in like the edgy, earthy vibe that you need when you have like all this Christmas decorations that are so festive. This kind of just brings it like homey and just like very like edgy and earthy, like I said before. It is, honestly, I bought these in 2 different sizes. I felt like this was just, it's actually called Nordic lights, and it's so fitting because this is such a Nordic house, it's not even funny. I got it in this size and I got it in a smaller size. Let me show you guys. And here's the baby one. I have a theme going on. I feel like I bought things in like 2 different sizes, but I'm not mad at it. So here are the 2 sizes. Very Nordic, architecturally shaped decorations. I feel like this is definitely it's just too edgy for Christmas, and I needed that. Again, they're a Hobby Lobby. I've never seen this in my entire life. I always see those white houses, but as soon as I saw these gray concrete ones, I was just like, wow, I need it. You can also put like little candle lights on the inside. Let me show you. Here it has like that little piece inside, so you could put a little candle light if you would like, but honestly I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's just way too cool. Let me give you a closer look. It has windows on the side too, on the roof and on the chimney. And there's a chimney on both of them as well. Just very simple, clean cutouts, and I love that it's not perfect either. Like you could see that the clay was just like, it was cut to make a square, but it wasn't cut to be so clean and perfect. And I feel like those imperfections really, the imperfections and the discolorations within the gray, I feel really make it just a really cool looking piece. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Okay, so this next piece is a big piece. And I don't know, when I saw it, I just envisioned it on a really big wooden coffee table with like those wooden sticks I was telling you about before. But it is a sleigh. I can't believe I got a sleigh. This is hilarious. Anyways, I got a wooden sleigh. It is like a whitewash wood sleigh, and it has these metal, I don't know, what would you even call these? These metal legs that a sleigh has. Of course, it's got a burlap rope to continue. This is definitely, like, I would say like a modern farmhouse themed sleigh, which is perfect for me, honestly. It goes with everything that I have here. But I just envision this like on a coffee table and just like putting different things on top of it, whether it be candles or books or like little tchotchkes or just like little Christmas trees. This is also would look really nice like on an entryway, and I think that's what I'm going to do here at the house. Just put it in the entryway and just stack a few things on top, just to kind of give it a nice little Christmas touch. Again, everything that I'm showing you was 50% off. Everything. It's insane. So this last piece that I have for you guys today is again from Hobby Lobby, and it is an ode to my mama. Now, if you know my mom, she collects Nutcrackers every single year. Every year she buys a new Nutcracker, and this was the Nutcracker this year. This is the most modern farmhouse Nutcracker I've ever seen in my entire life. If Restoration Hardware was a Nutcracker, it would be this, without the wreath probably, but it would be this. It is like a beautiful like dark wood Nutcracker. No details on it, no face, nothing. It is just so simple and beautiful and clean, and was just, again, the most modern, earthy Nutcracker I've ever seen in my life. And I thought it was so worth showing because it's just perfect for the theme of all my Christmas decorations. Show you guys this little guy. Here's a closer look, just so you can see the different tones of wood. It's like almost like it's a brown wood, but it's also like that gray wash wood. Just so beautiful. Has a burlap bow with some acorns and a little wreath, and he's good to go. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed all of my Christmas decorations I showed you today. Again, super restoration hardware inspired by everything that I got. Everything was just very modern, farmhouse, Nordic, which is very my style. Let me know if you guys enjoyed any of these pieces, or if you guys have a similar style to me. Again, I got everything at Hobby Lobby. Everything I bought was 50% off, and that 50% off sale is still going on. You can get it online or in store, and I'll also leave everything linked down below. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy your December. Happy December 1st. And be on the lookout because I'll be doing 12 days of Vlogmas towards the mid-end December. So I hope you guys enjoyed that as well, and wish me luck with my computer during Vlogmas. Either way, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!